Hello, good evening all of you. Chaya teacher here. Today we start explanation of chapter number 1 in chemistry, chemical reactions and equation. Okay, now listen. First, for the short question answers, you have to learn chemical formula and their names. These chemical formulas all already given in your notes. Okay, these all up to here 37. These all you have to learn. Now explanation we will start from here. Physical change and chemical change. Now see, physical change means the structure, the shape of any matter is changed. Okay, so no new substance is formed. Now here no new substance is formed. The cutting of tree is the example of physical change. Suppose if any stick is there like this and we cut it from here, the two small pieces are there, but these two small pieces are also called the stick only. The no new substance is formed. This one is also called stick, this one is also called stick. Okay, this one is a temporary change. It's a temporary, it's not a permanent change. Okay, now next, no changes in the compositions of the substance take place. No change in the composition of the substance. Nothing is changed in the physical change. Easily reversed. Easily reversed. It's a reversible change. For the reversible change, we see the example that water converted into ice. Okay. Water is in which state? Liquid state. It's converted into ice, its state is changed, that one it's your solid state. Okay. Now after, when the temperature is increased, okay, this ice is again converted into the water. This ice is again converted into the water. So here it's easily reverse change. Again and again we are water converted into the ice and ice converted into the water. Okay, often just a state change. State of matter is change here only. Liquid converted into the solid, solid converted into the liquid. This type of changes are there. That all this type of the changes are called the physical change. Now second change, it's your chemical change. A new substance is formed. Okay, simple example we will take here. Simple. That one it's your H2. H2 plus O2. It gives the H2O. We will balance the equation. Here you have to write 2 and here you have to write 2. This one is a balance equation. Okay. Now here, before the chemical reaction, that H2 and O2, these two are in the gaseous form. Which form? Gaseous form. And after the chemical reaction, this one it's called a water, that it's converted into the liquid form. A new substance. First, chemical change, a new substance is formed. It's a permanent change. Permanent change means again that it's this H2O, it's not converted into that H2 gas and O2 gas. Okay. Suppose MgO, it's taken, it's converted into the magnesium oxide. Okay. Now next, the composition of a new substance is changed. Composition of the new substance is changed. Its mass is also changed. No easily reverse. No easily reverse means if again that H2O2 it's converted into the water, then directly this water it's not converted into this 2. We have to give it heat is given to it, warm water is given to it, heat is given to it, then it's converted into the warm, then it started to the boiling and converted into the that gaseous form. Okay, so it's not a easily reverse. Easily reverse means if any in the chemical reaction, if any product is there and again we have that product converted into the reactants, some heat or at atmospheric temperature, whatever that anything is given to that substance, then only that one product is converted into the reactants. Now reactants used up. Used up means here, whatever in the which proportion that the H2 and O2 is taken, it's completely converted into the water. Here it's not that after chemical reaction that the suppose little bit that what the gaseous form of hydrogen and O2 is remain there. Thus this one it's written here that the reactant used up. Here written that example it's you are taking wood burning. Okay. Now wood burning, then in the presence of oxygen, that wood is continuously burning. It's also in the presence of oxygen only that process is occurs. Okay. Now next for the chemical change we will see one example it's taken that for the physical change and chemical change, when we eat a food inside the mouth, okay, when we chewing it, at that time that physical property of the food is changed. Okay, it's converted into the little bit that the liquid form, solidly liquid के form में वो convert हो रहा है. Okay, and then what happened that it's mixed with the saliva, that change it's your chemical change. That pieces of the food, it's your physical change, but when it's mixed into the saliva, that one it's your chemical change. Okay. Now next one is your, from here all topics are very important, that what is reactants. The substance which participate in a chemical reactions are called reactants. Here one example I written here that Mg plus O, it's give the MgO. Mg and O, these two are the reactants. They are taken part in the chemical reaction. Okay, this for the chemical reaction, for this product we are taken MgNO, magnesium and oxygen is taken, and after the chemical reaction that the magnesium oxide is there. Okay, so MgO, this one, this Mg and O, these are the reactants, but MgO, after the chemical reaction one compound is there, this one it's your product. So see the definition that the reactants, the substance which are participate in a chemical reactions are called reactants. Okay, and what is product? The substance which are formed by chemical reaction. Here this substance is formed by these two chemical reaction. When these two reactants are react, then only we get this substance. Now next topic is your, what is chemical reaction? Okay, definition of chemical reaction. A chemical reaction is a chain in which one or more substance or reactants react to form new substance with a different properties. Different properties means they are taken in the gaseous form. Reactants are taken in the gaseous form, solid form, liquid form. In any state it's taken, but they are react to each other and give a product. Okay, so what is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a change in which one or more substance, any two different substance are taken and they are react to each other and give a new substance. Okay, any two different reactants are taken. Reactants, on the place of this substance, reactants also you will write that reactants react to form a new substance and it's form a new substance, and their properties are also different. Now see here this example 2H2O2, this one it's a gaseous form, this one is also in the gaseous form, but here it is in the liquid form. Okay, what is their property? In this reaction that the reactants H2 and O2 are in the gaseous state. They have gaseous property. What are the gaseous property? What are the gaseous property? That the gaseous particles are very far to each other. Okay, very far to each other. Their intermolecular force between them, the intermolecular force between them is very less. Okay, these all are the physical property of the gaseous substance. Then H2O, after this one it's your product. Okay, so the H2O is a product and H2O have the different property than this one. Thus in the chemical reaction it's written that the new substance is formed and with a different property. After a chemical reaction, whatever the substance is formed, it has the different property from the reactants. Then H2 have the liquid property. Okay. Now next one here. What is a chemical equation? Chemical equation. A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of chemical reaction in form the symbol or formula. Now see here for symbol and formula. Symbol and formula we will see. Symbol means one example here. This example you will see. Here MgNO. Mg is the symbol of magnesium. O is the symbol of oxygen. Here MgO. This one it's your product. Okay, this one it's your product. Now here, now in this example, take this one. This example, H2. H2 is a one molecule of hydrogen. Okay, it's a symbol of hydrogen also, that only H is written there. Then we can say that it's a symbol of hydrogen, but H2 it's written there. Then what is this? The H2 it's your symbol, molecule of one hydrogen. One hydrogen of molecule. And here O2 is a one molecule of oxygen. And here this one it's your product. So in the chemical equation it's written there, a chemical equation is a symbolic representation. It's a symbolic representation. Representation of the chemical reaction in form of symbols or formula. Okay, in the form of symbol and formula. After that we get the formula of water here. Now here reactants are given on left hand side in the chemical equation. In this chemical equation, these two H2 and O2, these two are react to each other and they are given in the left hand side. Okay, this side they are given. Thus it's called left hand side. Then products are given on the right hand side. Here this one it's your product and it's given on the right side. Now see this whole equation. You have to see. These two are react to each other. They are reactants. This one it's your product. This whole symbolic representation. This one it's your chemical equation. Okay. And here this whole that 2 mole of the H2 and O2 is react and gives the 2 mole of water. This one it's your completely chemical reaction. And see, chemical reaction is always present with the help of chemical equation. Chemical reaction is present in the help of chemical equation. And chemical equation is always given with the help of this molecular symbol or compounds formula. They are used and then the chemical equation is written there. Now here this 2 is the coefficient, that how many mole of what that H2 is react with oxygen. Here 2 mole of the H2 is react with the O2. Now here the another example is given here. The chemical equation. Methane is react with oxygen and give the carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Now this one is a word equation. Here symbols are not given. Methane symbol is not given. Oxygen symbol is not given. Here also formula of carbon dioxide, water, it's not given in the product. Done. But this one it's your word equation. But this one it's your symbolic chemical equation. Symbolic chemical equation in which that the CH4 methane. Okay, CH4 equation, that chemical formula of methane is CH4, is react with the 2O2. In both state of that state is gaseous only. Heat is given to it. Heat is given. This symbol is present for the heat. Heat is given to this chemical, this 2 reactants. And after the chemical reaction that we get the carbon dioxide and water. Okay, up to here. Write down your notes in the proper handwriting and learn all these chemical formulas and chemical equation and all the definition.